All right, everybody, good morning. It is a beautiful 6:45 a.m. on Tuesday, April the 5th, I believe, 2022. I'm here at Sardis Creek Boat Ramp, and as you can see, it's going to shape up to be a beautiful morning here. We got a bit of a storm coming in later today, but I'm going to head back to the very back of this creek over here because I believe that's where they're going to be shallow, and I believe that's where I'm going to find some fish. So stay tuned. Hope we can catch some today for sure. All right, I wasn't going to do this, but I'm stopping short, and I'm going to throw my little weighted swim bait down and drag it across the bottom because I saw fish down there and there's bait all over the place. I'm going to throw it right to where I just was. We'll see what happens, because boy, if it sinks down there and if I could drag it properly. Come on, fish. Oh, they're jumping out there in the middle, and I'm out here throwing against the... There's one. Did he get it? Oh, he messed with it. Oh, that was a topwater strike. He went for it again, and he got it this time. All right, on the topwater. That's the first topwater fish of the season for me. Oh, he feels like a good one. Come here, buddy. Where are you at? Oh boy, he is a good one. Come here. Almost got you. Oh, come on. There we are. That is how you do that. Yeah. GoPro, take a photo. Nice. I gotta get these. This guy just tore this bait up. First topwater of the season. 2.65 right there. Yeah. Go. Here's the release. So the thing is, we got to get these fish from up on the shore. I casted this one, it almost hit the rocks. This is a good one. Easy, tiger. Oh, he's still jumping. I got him. There's a good one right there. It's that Bama craw color. All right, I'm gonna have this be my last cast for today. I'm gonna swim it back because I'm gonna be soaked when I get back to load this thing up. Come on, who's gonna bite this? Last cast of the day. Looks like the rain has arrived. It's exactly 10 o'clock. Nothing. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching.